Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lacey. How are
Morning.
you? Hi, Fateh. See, boys are so nice. They have turned on the camera. Girls, every day I have to remind. Ah, Haya? Okay. Let's do
Hi,
one
ma'am.
thing. We are going to count till 10. If they are not turning on the camera, let's not give them attendance. We can inform their parents. Sounds good? One,
Hi.
two. Hi, Rehan. Hi, Haya. Three. Hi, Javan. See, you can do this without me informing you every day, right?
Yeah.
So Aishin and Daria, you're the people those who are not turning on without talking and calling again and again. So you have to do that from tomorrow onwards. Sounds good?
Mhm. Anyways, ma'am, like in the craft class, I made this.
What is that?
It's supposed to be a plant holder, but cat style.
Wake up, Haya! It looks cute.
Yeah,
What?
because since my cat
That time I made
listen,
a
okay,
NFT.
since my camera is blurry, uh, you
What
can't
did
see.
Rachel make? I can see it. It's
Mm,
very cute. Others, you
mm,
guys didn't make anything? Only Rachel and Daria made?
yep,
Ah,
he made a rocket ship out of bottles.
that's nice. What about the others?
But
Ma'am,
you have
I
to
made
paint
I
its
made
name.
something with look at this.
It's a flower. It is made up of
Of paper.
good. If you can make
But
many.
actually, I was trying to make it out of, like we can just cut the plastic into circles and then you can like put it into like the fire and then it will like
That is
uh,
a good way. I mean, if
yeah.
you're
But
not turning on camera, I'm not going to give you attendance because
the
5 minutes
thing
is
is,
already over.
when she told us to do that, it was the second period and my mother hasn't woken up, so I can't do it without my mother on the fire.
Hmm.
Well, I can, but no.
See, guys, remember we also made some flowers in the last class. You can collect all the flowers, keep it in a frame or a vase. That will look nice.
I don't have them.
You also made the lotus, right?
I made
The thing
everything,
is,
but I only have like the first flower we made. Wait, maybe we should put the flowers inside here.
Ah, that will work. See, the is contributing to the
Daisy
waste.
made a rocket, I made a airplane.
What about you put the flowers inside your
What
vase?
about Graham, Rehan, Aishin? What did you guys make? Nothing?
Mm,
Ma'am, my work is finished.
First things first, Joanne is wearing blue and I don't know if this what is your name? I'm pinning you. Ihan.
Rehan, you don't know Rehan?
What, I couldn't see his name.
Amila, you're late to assembly by 5 minutes, Amila. Do you know that? You're late every day
Aisha
to
is
assembly.
wearing gray
Usually I
and
give you
I don't know
attendance,
why
but if
this.
you're late every day, I cannot encourage that. And I cannot give you attendance for being late.
Ma'am, how do I know
One
Blazer
second,
is
Badira.
wearing black or
Are you listening to me, Amila?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you
Sorry.
late today?
No, I'm here, but I didn't on my camera.
You joined 5 minutes late. You turned on camera even later. I'm looking at the time, right? You join late, you turn on the camera even later. That's not acceptable. Tomorrow onwards,
I
join on time, okay?
okay.
Yes. See, Haya is still sleepy, but she joined on time.
No, my mother literally. I just moved. In my sleepiness, no. I was on the bed. I was sleeping. I moved, okay, and then my mother was like, "Wake up!"
Ah, Javan, what happened to your uniform? Where's our uniform, Javan? You need to verbally speak up. Where's your uniform?
it's always gone for him. But anyways. Yeah, maybe I think someone robbed his house for white shirts.
I'll
No,
inform your
maybe
father
the
regarding
owner
the
of the
uniform.
house.
that you are not
Maybe he was
wearing
just
it.
really careless.
Okay.
No, nobody robbed his house. Maybe he's just really careless that he lost his clothes.
I swear I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find it.
Uh huh. What do you think? A ghost can just steal it and run away and wear it like a ghost?
I lost it when I came back home in India.
Maybe,
Barira,
maybe
did you take
not
his
even in India.
shirts? Barira,
Yeah.
did you take his white shirts?
Nope.
Are you
I
sure?
do not. I would gladly do if I'm like he could give me his address.
Then I think
I'll
there's a
just throw the
chance that
clothes in his
Aishin
face,
might have taken it.
and then I'll just throw the clothes in his face, and I'll just say,
Aisha
"Wear
is
it."
in Qatar, so she can just fly away into a new country, like uh, uh,
Nothing
like a
happened.
plane.
Can I be the teacher? I want to be the monitor.
You want to be the monitor.
Yeah.
She always wants to. Oh my god.
Monday we are going to change the monitor, right?
Ma'am, today Ihan is the monitor.
No, Ihan. It was last week.
So this week we forgot to select the monitor. Hmm.
Yes, we did.
Let's do one thing. Today is Friday, Tuesday, right? Let's select now, shall we?
Yes.
Can you like select me? I just
Just
enough
party
feeling
in
you.
a train.
Okay, wait. I'll add the names quickly.
Well, party's like, dude, don't pick me, please. I'm very bad.
Give me your names quickly.
Ha,
Barira.
Barira,
Haya.
done. Laser, done.
Don't
Haya.
Mahesh,
my
done.
name.
Ihan,
My name.
I will put
Haya.
everyone's name. Haya, Joanne. Is anyone missing there? Those who are there now?
Amila.
Lazel. Lazel.
Laser, I have
Amila.
put.
Amila. Amila.
Amina also I put.
Aishin.
One second. Okay.
Ishan. Joanne. Joanne. Ishan.
I'm going to share. One
Ellen.
second.
Sitra.
One second.
Ayman. Muhammad. Abib.
My screen is like it's
Eileen.
pause. It's on pause.
Look, how many people are there? There's like one, two,
Ready? Shall we do it
Yes.
quickly?
Yes.
five,
Yes,
six,
okay.
seven, eight.
Just see if your names are there, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to share my screen. Just see if any of the names are missing. I guess I have added everyone. I didn't forget anyone. Just
Why
cross
is that
check.
my name? Why am I in the red? Why am I in the red? I want to be in the blue.
I added everyone's name.
Ma'am,
I wanted to
Fateh,
be in the blue.
Fateh spelling is wrong.
I know, in the hurry I did it. So sorry. But we know it's okay, right? Ready? It was only
Yes.
we just have 1 minute, so on fast note I just added it. So forgive the spelling for just now.
Oh my
Someone
gosh.
Who's the lucky one? Who's the lucky one? Who's the lucky one?
pick me. No, no, no.
Ah, it's you.
Fateh, you told you don't want to be the winner.
So you are the leader for this week, Fateh. Sounds good.
Look, he's declining it. No need.
It's done. Thank you so much, Mohammed here. Remember your leaders. Be
Can I
right.
just take
Bye
it? I
bye.
want to be the manager.
We'll try next
Yeah,
week.
please take it.
We'll try next week. Bye
I want to take it
bye.
from him. Can I?
No, we cannot do
I want
that.
to be the
Bye.
manager.
Bye, people.